Heavy rains hit the United Arab Emirates over the past 2 days. The most significant rainfall was recorded in the northern and eastern regions of the country. The worst affected areas included Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, and Sharjah. In the city of Qalba, intermittent heavy showers were reported overnight. Weather conditions deteriorated rapidly within a short period. The sky was covered with dense thunderclouds. Heavy downpours were observed in several areas. The rain was accompanied by lightning and thunder. Strong wind gusts added to the unstable conditions. Residents reported a sharp drop in visibility on the roads. Drivers were advised to exercise extreme caution. In Fujairah, rainfall affected mountainous areas. In Dubai Al Fujairah, water began flowing through dry channels after intense rainfall. Dry wadi channels quickly began to fill with water. Streams of water flowed down from the mountain slopes. Temporary waterfalls formed in some locations. Such phenomena are typical for the eastern part of the country. Authorities warned of the risk of flash floods. Residents were advised to avoid low-lying areas. Crossings through wadis were considered especially dangerous. In Ras Al Khaimah, the situation developed in a similar way. Rainfall affected both coastal and mountainous zones. In Al Rams, localized flooding was reported near residential areas. Water flows in some areas spread onto roads. Localized flooding was reported. Some road sections temporarily became difficult to pass. Drivers shared videos of flooded highways. However, no serious damage was reported. In Sharjah, the heaviest rain hit urban areas. In Khor, Fakkan, runoff from nearby mountains increased water levels in low-lying zones. The downpours caused water to accumulate on streets. Drainage systems were operating under heavy load. Large puddles formed on some roads. This led to slower traffic movement. Some districts experienced temporary disruptions. Municipal services responded quickly to the situation. Workers cleared drains and monitored water levels. Residents were advised to stay home when possible. Especially during periods of intense rainfall. Weather services had issued warnings in advance. The forecast included rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds. These conditions persisted over the two-day period. In Ajman, brief but intense showers were also recorded. Rainfall intensity varied across different regions. The Northern Emirates were the most affected. Central areas experienced lighter rainfall. However, even there, brief heavy showers were recorded. In Dubai, rainfall was also reported. In Al Ain, gusty winds accompanied passing rain clouds. Residents shared footage of rain and lightning. Some streets were temporarily covered with water. However, infrastructure managed to cope with the conditions. A similar situation was observed in Abu Dhabi. There, rain was accompanied by thunderstorms.